Hey folks, how you doing? Today we're gonna make some penne with smoked ham and Italian sausage with the bechamel sauce. What I'm doing right now, I'm just chopping up the smoked ham roughly. No need to be fine, just chop it roughly. Gonna do that first, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, here we're almost there. You want it to get really golden brown because you don't want to have a raw sausage in your mixed. So just kind of try to punch them while they cook. And there's no need for oil or any type of fat because the fat from the sausage will help cook it. And once it's all golden brown, we'll set it aside. And I'll show you what's next. Okay, at this point, the smoked ham is ready, and I'm adding my Italian sausage so I can blend the both together. And I'm gonna let it cook for about, that's another 5 minutes at the most. Okay, now it's time for the bechamel sauce. I have about a tablespoon of salted butter. Sorry, it takes a little while here. And about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Don't worry about the lumps when you whisk it, because we're gonna pour milk to make the bechamel sauce. Just like I'm doing about a cup of milk. And that all depends on how thick you want the sauce. I like mine liquidy, because if you make it too thick, it's not gonna work. So once the milk start boiling, then your sauce will thicken. Season to the taste. I use salt, pepper, nutmeg, some aromatic bouillon powder as well. Like I said, to the taste.